3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, my name's Abby.
Hey guys, my name's Denise.
And what are we going to be making today?
We're making vegan chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, so let's go. For this project, you'll be needing some vanilla extract, some baking powder, some coconut oil, some
Brown sugar,
vegan chocolate chips, and some baking soda. You'll also be needing some almond milk and flour for our dry ingredient. So you'll want to have 2 bowls for the wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, you want to put your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda. And in the second bowl, you want to put your brown sugar in. You'll want a fourth
cup.
No, you want 1 cup of brown sugar. You'll want a half a cup of coconut oil, and you'll want a few chocolate chips. You can just eyeball it kind of. And then you want to really mix it until you get kind of this consistency. It's okay if the brown sugar still has some bumps, because when we pour in the almond milk, it's going to dissolve it kind of. So you'll want a 1/4 cup of almond milk. And then let's mix this.
Mixing.
We're gonna mix it really good, and then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. So just a tiny bit. I think that's enough.
2 drops. And then mix.
And then mix. Okay, now we're gonna pour everything into our dry, actually I think we should pour the dry ingredient solution into this solution.
Everything?
Yep, everything.
And then mix it.
Take your thing.
And then mix it.
Okay, that's it. Now we have to do a big mix.
Oh, I can help you.
Okay, this looks pretty good. When it's really doughy, this is a good texture. If it's not mixing together very well, and just add some more almond milk. But
And then put
now we're gonna start rolling them into balls and then adding them to the sheet. See you when it's done. Okay, we've just done laying all of our cookies out. So let's take them to the oven. Okay, so now we're gonna put it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna stick these cookies in. Anish, you wanna open the oven?
No, it's hot.
It's hot.
Gently put these cookies. I want them to break.
You know, what about my hand breaking? You're burning.
It's gonna burn.
Close it.
Me?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay. Now we're gonna take out the cookies.
Cut.
It's been about 30 minutes.
Cut.
And this is how they turned out.